Hi, Chris from Fireside Hearth Home. Today we're going to talk about cleaning the sensor rod on your pilot. This is one of the most common maintenance tasks that will need to be accomplished on your FireBrick insert. An indication that cleaning is required is when you see your pilot come on, but the main burner does not light. When we do this, if you look closely at the pilot, you can see that it's lit, but the igniter continues to spark. After approximately a minute, the pilot would go out and the module will lock out. This indicates that the sensor rod is not sensing the pilot flame. To clean the rod, you first must remove the glass. To do this, please refer to our Removing the Glass for Cleaning video in this series. Once the pilot times out, ensure that the fireplace hasn't been running, that the glass is cool, and the easiest way to access the pilot is going to be to remove the top two logs. Because the front and glass are removed, you can hear the module has locked out. We're going to remove the logs to access the pilot. And you'll want to take a piece of extra fine steel wool or cloth. You don't want to use anything too coarse, as that can pit or groove the sensor rod. Take your cleaning material and just rub it lightly along the sensor rod. Typically the sensor rod is going to be the longer of the two, although you will not hurt anything by cleaning both rods of the pilot assembly.